Okay, today we will be discussing a case study on profit maximization versus wealth maximization. We have already discussed on what is profit maximization and what is wealth maximization. First, say me what is profit maximization. Okay, we are planning for a short-term requirements to settle or to satisfy the short-term needs. It is a profit maximization. Today I am selling 100 units of goods. I am fixing it as I want to earn rupees 10 as my profit. This is my profit maximization. Whereas wealth maximization is that after 1 year also I should have a consistent growth in my profit. So this is termed as wealth maximization. Today the team will be discussing on a case study on Tata Motors, how they have been decided into profit maximization to wealth maximization in the introduction of e-vehicles. So shall we start?
Yes.
Are you people ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
See, for this case study, Tata Motors will be having only two choices. One will be launch on EV vehicles in a low margin, so they could equalize the profit or loss, whatever it is, they can balance that. Another thing is to invest EV vehicles in long-term process. This is another choice. Why they have to do this second process is because it increases brand value, and other thing is it will improve long-term capitiveness, and it will strengthen future cash flow also. So instead of taking any other choices, these two choices will give something better. It will be a better option to manage this maximum capitalization.
And then it's improving the competitive advantage and the growth of market and technology leadership economically. It will developing the new market in the economic statement, and then strong customer and loyalty, and it leads to long-term profitability. And next step is better risk management. A low margin model gives a profit and high competition, and then a strong government intensive consumer preference, reducing fuel and dependency, because nowadays fuel vehicles are going down, and the e-market is getting more than profit and more sales. And then market perception and stock price impact. EV forced strategies and increasing. Investors and buyers are so many in economic market. Then next time my friend.
Customers choose wealth maximization because they want long-term capital and wealth maximization uses for more profit, but in a sustainable way. They choose wealth maximization because EV motors, they want customers loyalty and brand value increases. In a long term, profit, they want capital. They choose debentures for the capital market and fixed interest rate. Debentures generally gives fixed interest rate and lower equity than the profit maximization. So in wealth maximization, there is no dilution in ownership and no interest in tax treatment. There are predictable repayment due structure because we all know how much interest are they give from the debentures, and you use with maturely use the long term profits. Possible of limitations. Fixed interest burden increases financial risk. Also pressure and liquidity during the non-revenue years.
Debentures are appropriated and financial justifying the EV market in economy. And the market match long-term funding needs, and it leads to a lower WACC, avoiding dilution, and offer tax benefits. That's all. Thank you.
So how was the case study? Super. Yeah. So they have discussed on the difference between profit maximization and wealth maximization, and why the team has chosen, Tata Motor has chosen wealth maximization. They have discussed. So now you people say me, what do you people think? Whether profit maximization or wealth maximization, what will you choose? why?
Because people are focusing on long term, but the process of the terms வந்து லாங் பெனிஃபிட் வந்து கரெக்டாக இருக்கணும். அதாவது ஷார்ட் டேர்மில் கிடைக்கிறது லாங் டேர்மில் ரொம்ப பெனிஃபிட்டாக இருக்கணும்னு சொல்கிறாங்க.
Okay, fine, but it would take few time. What do you think, Prevan?
It is better to take time, ma'am, instead of getting rushed into something, taking time and slowly doing something will be proper.
Okay, fine. So that was a good explanation on difference between profit and wealth maximization. So we will be discussing on the other of the topics in the next class. Thank you.